Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to create alternate headers for WordPress blocksy. Alright, so let's say we have our contact us page, and we wouldn't want our users to be able to use the search function. In which case, we want to remove the search bar from our search bar and probably our menu here and our cart items here from our header. So how do we do that? Well, in WordPress blocksy Pro, you can use alternate headers or conditional headers. So let's go ahead and click on Customize over here and head over to the WordPress Customizer. Okay, so once we're in our Customizer here, let's click on Header. And we have our header customizer here. We have our 3 rows. We have all of our elements that we can drag and drop. And we have our second tab here called headers. Let's click on that. And you can see we have this one where we can say global header. And then we have a bunch of options here. Okay. And below that, we have another button. Well, a different button here called create new header. So let's call this contact page header. Right? And then let's go ahead and copy elements from our global header, just so you can see. And we only have one here, so let's click on Create New Header. And we now have our contact page header. Let's go over to our contact page here within the preview, and let's customize it from here. So you see we have the same elements here as our global header, right? So it's reloading just the header. And the global header is set to be non-transparent on the Contact Us page, right? So let's go ahead and customize this. Let's remove the menu, let's remove the search box, let's remove the cart, and let's put the logo in the very middle. Okay. And that looks fine, but I want it to be non-transparent. So let's click on this. And let's scroll down here and disable the transparent functionality. Okay, and then offset, we can change how offset it is from the top if we, yeah, there you go. If we wanted to, because we have a lot of negative space here, right? So we can keep it at that. And we can make it sticky or not sticky, right? So you can see with the offset, it's over there. So let's put this to 0 and see how that looks like. Okay, that looks great. And for the design, we can change the background color. Just keep it white for this video. And the most important part, last but not least, are add and edit conditions. So let's click on this and let's add a display condition and include on entire website, or let's scroll down here, pages, and we have our other pages here, single page, right? And then we can put it under or actually a specific page. So let's undo that. Let's go down here, scroll down, and click on page ID and contact us. Okay, save conditions, right? And now it will only appear on the contact us page. But if we were to click on the icon and go back home, it would show us, it would show us the global header, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to contact us. And you can see just because we have this one selected, let me put this down here. It's just showing the preview, but because of our conditions, if we were to publish this and go to our actual website, we'd see the difference. Okay, so we can see our default header here. Let's reload the site. And you can see we now have this header, which is just the logo for our contact us page. Let's click on the logo and go home, and you can see we have the same one that we had by default earlier. And if we went to our contact us one, it's going to be different. So there's how you have alternate headers for your WordPress blocksy website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.